So I actually searched for the books, but process diagrams have not been comprehensively given. So I'm trying to find the real data or process diagram to practice it.
Yeah,
So do you know any sources like this?
yes, I do. I know sources, but they are not for free to use, okay? Uh, One of the reasons to have the in-process booster is this. We get an engineering book and they talk about calculations. And when we go to the field, when we go to the company, you need to do calculations, but you don't know how to transport the knowledge from one point to another. And I don't know any book that gets you from the calculations to the engineering deliverables. So that's why in many cases you need to do another course or get in touch with other training to solve that, because in general terms you should learn everything in the university, but in many cases the teachers, they are more addressed for researching. I'm not familiar. I'm not skilled in research and development. I'm familiar and skilled in plan design. So that's why I offer the process booster. When you talk to a teacher that has his or her life in research and development, the knowledge is very different. The results that they produce is very different. So that's why so difficult to find a book that shares what you have in real life, because many of the books are written by researchers and not by engineers. That's my point of view, okay? Not all universities are the same, but the ones that I get in touch, and I can tell you that I have students from Canada to Australia, from India to Colombia, from Azerbaijan to Nigeria, and most of the students has the same problem. They don't learn in the university how to link the academia and the industry. That's why most of them decide to join the in-process booster training program.